Hey, what's up, everybody? Here we are, a second video today. What's happening? I don't even know. So Jesse from Yesterday's Fits hit me up the other day and was telling me about a really big sale that they're having this weekend at the store. They're having a big in-person sale. They're having like a ton of stuff at the store location here in Vegas. It's going to be only $5, and then I believe it's going to be like 20% off everything in the store. Should be pretty cool. But what I'm here to tell you guys about is they're actually doing a really big online only sale as well. They've got like over 2,000 items in their sale category on their website, and this weekend it's going to be 50% off. The sale is going to start Saturday morning at 8 a.m. Pacific time. So that's what, 11 a.m. Eastern. And it's going to end on Sunday night at 11:59 p.m. Pacific time. So you're going to be able to go into the sales section. Anything in there is automatically going to get discounted 50% off. He gave me a special code so that I can go ahead and show you guys and pick up some stuff myself for 50% off. Just so that I would, do this video for him and show you guys. But I think there's some really good deals in there. I'm going to show you some of the stuff that I picked out for myself. We're going to check out, but I'm also going to show you some of the cool stuff that's still there. I didn't go crazy and buy up every single thing that I thought was great that it could be for resale. Plus, there's some really cool stuff in there that you could get for personal. There's shoes. There's some really cool collectible pins, lots of shirts, some jackets, some pants. So let's go check it out. All right, so you go to the website here, and this is just the main site for Yesterday's Fits. And you go over here to the sale. You can see I've already got 14 things hanging out here in my cart. So we're just going to go to the sale tab, and you can see there's 2,001 items. So yeah, there's totally like shoes here. They see all these prices. Almost everything here is $5 to $20. There's like a handful of things that are more, I think. But all of these prices are going to be half of what that you see here. And I'll go ahead and show you a couple of the things that I picked out that I thought were cool. I mean, maybe I'm the only one that thinks they're cool, but they're cool to me. This is a vintage Juanita tag. I think it's kind of dope because it's like obviously the Juanita is the brand of the actual shirt, but this is a Juanita tag T-shirt. I've got the power on the back of it, so I'm going to get this for $2.50, which isn't much more than what I pay going to the bins. And I think I could sell this for at least 40. And let's see, now this one I think is pretty awesome. This is priced at 20. I'm gonna get this for 10 bucks. This is a vintage zip up hoodie, and it's got these bears on it and really cool knit design on there. I don't know. I'll probably do some comps and see if I can find anything similar, but I can't imagine I couldn't sell this for at least 60 bucks. I'm gonna get it for 10. I love this. This is a really cool raglan tee. It says Alaska Smoke Jumpers. So this is priced at 10. So I'm going to get it for 5 bucks. And this is the graphic on the front. I think this is pretty awesome. This is the kind of stuff I really like, kind of these unique graphic tees, vintage graphic tees. You can see that Hanes tag. It's an 80s t-shirt. So, I mean, I think I could sell this for at least 50 bucks. Let's see. I don't know why, but I really like whitewater rafting tees. This one's priced at 5 bucks. It's already on sale, but I'm going to get it for even half of that, so for $2.50. I love the graphic on the back of this. I could probably sell this for 40 bucks. Again, selling prices are always going to be determined by like how long you want to wait. I mean, some stuff I sell right away, some stuff takes a while. All right, last thing I'll show you guys. I picked out 14 items, but this is a really awesome vintage Christmas deer sweater. Looks pretty old. I don't know. This has got to be like 80s or something like that, maybe earlier. I don't see a tag on it, but I love the design on it. It's pretty cool. And there's some other cool Christmassy sweaters that are in the sale as well. All right, here's some stuff that I'm not grabbing that I definitely think are pretty cool. This Yeah Right t-shirt, 20 bucks. That's going to be 10. This awesome Pizza Hut. I don't know about you guys, but I definitely went to Pizza Hut when I was a kid. They had the pizza, but they also had the kind of gross buffet there as well. You could get pasta, as our Canadian friends say. So that one's going to be 10 bucks. This 1987 Denver Broncos t-shirt looks nicely worn in, and that one's going to be 10 bucks when it's 50% off. This 1998 Bonneville Speed Trials graphic tee, so that one's going to be marked down to 5 bucks Has a graphic on both sides. Let's see. Oh, these are cool. Now, I had to resist the urge to snatch these up, but somebody should definitely get these. And I did ask Jesse. I wanted to make sure, are these actually vintage? Because I know they still make some Zuba stuff, but these are Zuba's striped yellow pants. These are awesome. Just seriously old school. And so those are priced at 20, which means they're only going to be $10 on the sale. And there's another pair, you guys. Check these out. Look at these tiger pants. How dope are these? So yeah, somebody definitely needs to grab these as soon as the sale goes live at 8 o'clock on Saturday morning Pacific time, because I can't imagine these are going to stick around for long. I don't know what these currently sell for, but for 10 bucks, you're definitely going to make some money on them. So I'm going to go ahead here, and you can see I've got my cart. I've got 14 items in there, and I'm going to go ahead and check out. So mine totals up to 100. I easily could have spent a lot more, but I wanted to share the sale with you guys and see if you guys can get some good deals as well. So I just kind of grabbed a handful of stuff, and I just got to go ahead here. Oh, now I got to send a code. Geez. I applied my code and I got 50% off, so I only have to pay $50. I'm also local, so I can choose pickup. When I had it for delivery, it came up, I mean, I am in the same city, but it came up like $15 for delivery. I do have to pay taxes, so that's $4.20. But because I'm local, I can do pickup, and so it's only going to cost me $54.20 to get these 14 items that I'm definitely going to be able to make some money on. So I'm going to go ahead and pay now. So as you can see, I used my special code. I was able to get 50% off, so it only cost me $50 plus $4.20 tax. I was able to get free pickup because I am local here to Vegas. So for any of you guys that are local, if you see anything you want there, just check out. You can choose the option pickup so you don't have to pay for delivery. The delivery didn't look too bad. Depending on how much stuff you get, mine would have been like, I think it was around $12, $13 if I wanted to have it shipped to me. Obviously, that's going to make a difference depending on where you are in the state. But there's definitely some good deals to be had here. And if you are local, you might as well just go in and do some shopping at the store itself. But I'm definitely going to be giving you guys a heads up more in the future when they do have sales like this, because it is a great way to grab some stuff. And these are probably all really cool items that Jesse found at the bins himself. But it's pretty nice to be able to get 14 items for 50 bucks. And as you saw, there are still some really cool things that you can pick up yourself. So go check out the sale. The link is down below directly to the sale page. So if you want to go and actually like scope it out before Saturday morning and maybe bookmark all the items that you are interested in, so that you don't have to go through and do that while the sale is actually active, you can go ahead and do that. Otherwise, I hope you find some cool stuff, and you should definitely let me know. And when I actually get my items, maybe I'll do like a short little haul video where I'll actually show you guys up close all the stuff that I got on this sale. And you should definitely let me know if you go in and you get some stuff as well, so I can hear about it, because I love knowing what you guys got. All right, see you later.